Moikka! I am Mari from Taika Journals. Welcome to my channel. Today, let's make some Nordic style Christmas trees with a new set of markers. A while back, Arrtx sent me these acrylic markers, and I'm so excited to get to try these. I do love acrylic markers. Okay, here is a set of 120 colors, water-based and brush tip, bright and opaque, available on different surfaces. Wow, there are many options to choose from. This will be lovely to use these on the Christmas trees. What a lovely collection of colors. Let's try one. Nice. Yes, these have a very nice pigment to them. I love it. And soon we will find out how the layering goes on the trees with these. But this set looks really nice. Thank you, Arrtx, for sending me this lovely set of acrylic markers. And there is more information in the description box if you want to go and check out this lovely set. And now, let's do some Christmas trees. Now I will draw some random Christmas trees to the paper. The line doesn't have to be so sharp because we are using the acrylic markers on top of the lines, so it doesn't matter if it goes wrong in some ways. Now the tree drawings are ready, and next I will choose some random colors and I will paint the little trees with these markers, and after that I will do the decorating. But yes, let's start the coloring. This is always my favorite time of the day when you get to do some art. Now the base layer is ready, and I think this pigment is good. You just have to shake a bit and remember to shake the marker with the cap on so you don't have this kind of accident as I had here. But yes, now I will do some Nordic folk style decorations to these trees, and I will use, of course, these markers, and then I will use a gel pen for the more detailed decorations. Lovely. Let's do some decorating. Okay, now the trees are ready, and I think this was a lovely set to work with, and I'm excited to do more with this set. But yes, now I will scan the print because I will put this for sale on my Etsy shop. If somebody wants to use these trees for their Christmas crafts or Christmas cards or something like that. And then I will be cutting the trees and I will put some ink onto these. Thank you Arrtx for sending me this wonderful set of acrylic markers. And there is more information in the description box if you want to go and check out more of this set. Now the trees are ready and cut, and next I will ink them. Now I have many trees that I can use in my art journalings. I wish you a magical December and have fun with your Christmas craftings. Until next time, kiitos katsomisesta ja oikein mukavaa viikkoa kaikille!